Today, I'm diving into the Battle of Salamis and challenging myself to find out how one epic clash changed the course of history forever. Before we begin our journey through history, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all new updates. After the failed attempt to conquer Greece in 490 BC, the Persian Empire, led by Xerxes I, assembled a massive force to finally subdue the Greek city-states. For Xerxes, this war was not just a matter of conquest, but a way to erase the memory of the previous defeat suffered by his father, Darius I, at the Battle of Marathon. Meanwhile, the Greek states, especially Athens, were preparing themselves for an imminent Persian attack. Athenian politician and strategist Themistocles understood that victory would only come through decisive naval engagement. He convinced the Athenians to expand their fleet, knowing that Greece's narrow waterways would neutralize Persia's numerical advantage. In this context, the stage was set for one of the most legendary battles in ancient history, the Battle of Salamis. In early September of 480 BC, Xerxes and his Grand Armada, believed to consist of over 1,000 ships, approached the narrow straits of Salamis, confident of an easy victory. However, Themistocles had a plan. Through careful strategy and even psychological tactics, he tricked Xerxes into believing the Greeks were divided and ready to surrender. Xerxes took the bait and led his fleet into the tight waters of the Salamis Strait, unaware of the deadly trap waiting for him. On the day of the battle, the Greek fleet, with around 300 ships, lay in wait within the narrow strait, perfectly positioned to take advantage of their maneuverability. When the Persian fleet entered, their larger ships became trapped, unable to turn or coordinate effectively. Themistocles' cunning tactic was paying off. The Greeks attacked with precision, using their smaller, agile triremes to ram into the Persians, causing chaos among the massive Persian fleet. Ships began to collide. Soldiers fell into the water, and the sea turned into a brutal battlefield. Amid the chaos, Themistocles' leadership shone through. He urged his men, saying, "Today, we fight not only for Athens but for all of Greece." The Greek forces, inspired by his words, fought fiercely, and the Persian fleet started to falter. Athenian commander Aristides, who was known for his unwavering loyalty to Greece, joined the fight with reinforcements, solidifying the Greek advantage. As the battle raged on, the Persians realized they were outmatched in these waters. Xerxes, who was watching from a throne on the shore, witnessed his once powerful fleet crumble before him. In desperation, he muttered, "The mighty empire of Persia, brought to a halt by the courage of a handful." After hours of fierce combat, the battle concluded with a resounding Greek victory. Persia's defeat at Salamis marked a turning point in the Greco-Persian Wars, forcing Xerxes to retreat and saving Greece from foreign domination. This victory was not just a military triumph, but a symbol of unity for the Greek city-states, a testament to the resilience and bravery of those who fought for their homeland. Following Salamis, Greece emerged as a beacon of freedom and defiance. The victory inspired the Greek city-states, proving that unity could prevail even against the mightiest of empires. The Athenians, in particular, came to recognize the importance of their navy, beginning the golden age of Athenian power. In the Persian Empire, however, Xerxes returned humiliated, and the defeat at Salamis cast a shadow over the empire's previously unstoppable image. The legendary Battle of Salamis became a tale of courage, strategy, and an indomitable spirit, qualities that would echo through history, inspiring generations. This was just one of the many secrets of history. If this video arouses your curiosity, do not miss subscribing to the channel